Okay, I'm going to do a little bonus video here for you, and I'm going to show you how you can cloak some affiliate links. Now, you'll notice that I'm inside of a WordPress installation, so any place where you have a WordPress site, if you want to install one just to use as a dummy site, you can do that because what you're going to do here is you're going to use a plugin called um, affiliate link cloaking, right? And so all you really need to do if you want to if you want to find affiliate link cloaking, you're just going to click the add new plugin, and you want to type in affiliate link cloaking. Affiliate link cloaking, and you're going to see it right here. Here's the one that I use. And now I've already got it installed. So if you just want to click the install button or install now, what that's going to do is that's going to take you to the link cloaking section. And what you're going to do here now is you're going to add a new link. And then what you're going to add there is you're going to then put in, you're going to create a better looking link. So in this particular case, we're going to maybe call this one dating for dudes. And you're going to put your affiliate link inside of there. So instead of having that affiliate link, that long, ugly affiliate link, you're going to take that affiliate link, copy it, put it inside of the link cloaking, click add link, and then it's going to become part of your association of links. And then, so all you're going to really do, then you're going to copy this link into your email. Right. So as you type your email out, you are going to include that email, that link in the email. So now I'm going to go back here, and every place where I've got that long ugly link, I'm going to put in my dating for dudes. And so that makes a better looking link. So you can do that with any WordPress site on any any installation that you're doing. You can put in that dating for dudes, and you'll be able to use that, and that's going to look a lot better and make it a lot more clickable. Okay, so that's how you cloak an affiliate link, and I hope that this was helpful for you.